In this thrilling video, a seasoned storm chaser shares 5 essential tips for surviving a tornado if you find yourself stuck in your car. First, remain calm and quickly assess your surroundings to determine the tornado's path. Second, if possible, drive at right angles to the tornado's path to escape its direct route. Third, if you cannot drive to safety, park your car, keep your seatbelt fastened, and duck below the window level, covering your head with your arms or a blanket if available. Fourth, avoid seeking shelter under bridges or overpasses, as they can create wind tunnels and increase the risk of flying debris. Finally, stay informed by tuning into local weather updates via radio or smartphone, if possible, to track the tornado's movement and receive real-time safety instructions. By following these expert tips, you can increase your chances of staying safe during a tornado.